Hi kids, today we're reading Bluey, Typewriter. It's a lift the flap book. At school, Bluey is being a story writer. Chloe comes to tell her that it's time for a story with Calypso. Look, Bluey's writing her story on a typewriter. It goes tick, 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 ching, tick, 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 ching. Come on, Bluey. Everyone sits up straight to listen. All sitting straight. But Snickers tries and tries, but oops, Snickers fell over. Snickers has trouble sitting up straight. There was once an old dog who had sat on a chest by the side of the road for all his life, begging for treats. This is the story. One day, a gnome came by and said to the old dog, "Have you tried opening that chest you sit on to see what's inside?" "Oh no, of course not. There's nothing inside," said the old dog. "It is empty." Oh, they're all listening to this story. "Can I sit next to you, Coco?" says Winton. He sits right up close to her. Winton is a space invader. Coco hasn't got her personal space. Back to the story, the gnome insisted that the old dog open the chest, and when he did, he discovered that it was full of treats. Bluey doesn't think the story makes sense, so she decides to write a new one with a better ending. But when she and Chloe get back to the typewriter, it's gone. Bluey says, "Hey, where'd the real typewriter go?" "I'll go ask Calypso," says Bluey. "I can't be a story writer without a real typewriter." On her way to find Calypso, Bluey sees Snickers. He looks sad. Poor Snickers. "Hey, Snickers, what's wrong?" "Everyone else has learned to sit except me." "But you're a sausage dog," says Bluey. "It's going to take you longer because you're longer." "I hate being a sausage dog," Snickers moans. Bluey suggests that Snickers come to find Calypso to see if she can help them both. On the way, they bump into Winton. He looks sad too. "Hey, Winton, what's wrong?" "Everyone keeps running away from me." "Why don't you come to see Calypso with us?" asks Bluey. "Maybe she can help." "Okay," says Winton, "I'll follow you." The three friends head off until they are stopped by the Terriers. There they are, the Terriers. They are playing a game. "Hey, we're shooting bows and arrows at you," the Terriers say, when Bluey, Snickers and Winton don't fall over. "Not real ones," says Snickers. "Please, can you pretend that they're pretend real?" "Okay," Bluey says. She yells to Snickers and Winton, "Arrows, get down!" They race away from the pretend real arrows. Look at them go, and the Terriers are following. "Snickers, you sneak around them through those skinny trees," Bluey says, "and then wait at the top of the hill to do you know what." There's Snickers. Snickers sneaks through the skinny trees as a terrier tries to spot him. "I'm coming. Where are you?" Oh, can we see behind here? Snickers is hiding behind the tree. Snickers' sausage shape keeps him hidden because he's long and thin, just like the tree. Meanwhile, Bluey has an idea for getting past one of the other terriers. "Ask him a question," she tells Winton, "and then he'll run away." Winton is confused. Why would he run away if I asked a question? Because you're a space invader. It's someone who stands too close. Winton gives it a go. There he is, right up to the terrier. He says, "Are you gluten-free?" Terrier says, "Winton, not so close." And Winton says, "Just tell me, are you gluten-free?" Ah! The terrier runs away. It works. The last terrier has them trapped, but Winton has an idea. "Use this shield," he says, handing Bluey a pretend real shield. "Okay," says Bluey. "Hang on." They're going ping, ping, ping. The terriers are shooting those pretend real arrows. And Bluey has her pretend real shield going ba-ding, ba-doing. She's protecting them from the arrows. They escape and they scare the terrier away. Bluey and Winton run away up the hill, but the terriers soon chase them. Bluey shouts to Snickers, "Snickers, now!" Sausage roll! Look at that. Woo! I love being a sausage dog. Snickers takes the terriers out with his sausage roll. "Good one, Snickers," Bluey and Winton shout. Then Bluey laughs. "Hey, Winton, look!" Winton isn't standing close. "I'm not a space invader." Finally, Bluey asks Calypso where the real typewriter has gone. "It's around here somewhere," says Calypso. "Hey, how did you get past the terriers?" "I used a shield," says Bluey. "See? Ting, ting. That's a nice shield." "Okay, typewriter, where is it?" Calypso smiles. "What if I asked you to show me a typewriter?" Bluey shows Calypso a pretend real typewriter, just like she used the pretend real shield to escape the terriers. Tick, 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 ching. Tick, 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 ching. Bluey's typing on her pretend real typewriter. "That's a lovely typewriter, isn't it?" says Calypso. "Thanks, Calypso," says Bluey as she races off. "I'm going to write my story now." It is a lovely typewriter, and Bluey will always have it with her, that pretend real typewriter. But look, what can we see under here? There's the real typewriter hidden under the bench seat. What a great book. Reading is fun with Bluey.